When you search for the best camp stove for car camping, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really makes a difference in your outdoor cooking experience, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Gas One Portable Dual Fuel Stove. Let's kick things off with the Gas One 15,000 BTU Dual Fuel Stove. Priced at $59.99, this stove stood out to me because of its incredible versatility and power. If you want a reliable stove that works with both propane and butane, this is worth a serious look. Whether you're making a quick meal or a full feast, you'll appreciate how it operates with both 8 Oz camping fuel and a 16.4 Oz propane cylinder. Plus, the advanced piezoelectric ignition means you can light it without matches, which is a game changer when you're out in the elements. Now, some people complained about its weight coming in at 6 pounds, which might seem a bit cumbersome for backpacking. Here's the thing though, if you're car camping, that extra weight is a small price to pay for the reliability and performance you'll get. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful and versatile stove for car camping or emergency preparedness. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for hiking. At this price, it offers excellent value for outdoor enthusiasts. Product number 2, Fire Maple Fix Star 1 Stove. Next up is the Fire Maple Fix Star 1 Stove, available for $49.95. What caught my eye here is its compact design and impressive efficiency. If you're looking for a lightweight option that doesn't sacrifice on cooking power, this is definitely worth considering. This stove boasts an incredible heat exchange technology that reduces boiling times by up to 30%. It's also integrated with a 1-liter pot, which means everything fits neatly together for easy transport. The built-in piezoelectric igniter makes starting this stove a breeze, even in windy conditions. Some users mention that it doesn't come with a fuel canister, which can be a hassle. But honestly, most backpackers already have a preferred brand, so it's not a deal breaker if you're used to carrying your fuel anyway. This would be perfect for you if you love hiking and want a compact cooking system. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional stove setup. For the price, it delivers exceptional performance for outdoor cooking. Product number 3, Gas One GS 3400P Stove. Now let's talk about the Gas One GS 3400P, priced at just $29.99. This budget-friendly stove caught my attention for its dual fuel options and safety features. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable stove, you should check this out. What makes this stove a standout is its easy-to-use design with automatic piezoelectric ignition, meaning no matches are needed. It operates efficiently with both butane and propane, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for your camping trip. With over 14,800 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its reliability. However, some users noted that the heat output can be lower compared to other stoves, which might make it slower for larger meals. But here's the thing, if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable stove without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're cooking for a larger group regularly. At this price point, it's a steal. Product number 4, Coleman Classic Butane Stove. Next is the Coleman Classic 1-burner butane stove, which you can grab for about $34.22. I found this one particularly appealing because of its simplicity and ease of use. If you want a straightforward no-fuss stove for camping, this is definitely worth looking at. With a powerful 7,650 BTUs, this stove can get your meals cooking fast. Plus, the wind baffle helps shield the flame from gusts so you can cook without interruptions. It's also easy to clean thanks to the removable grate. One downside some users have mentioned is that it only fits a 10-inch pan, which could limit your cooking options. But if you're just making simple meals, it's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable stove for car camping or tailgating. Skip this if you need something that can handle larger pots. For the price, it's a solid performer for casual cooks. Product number 5, SHINE STAR Dual Fuel Stove. Finally, we have the SHINE STAR Dual Fuel Stove, priced at $34.99. What I love about this one is its versatility and safety features. If you're looking for a safe and efficient option for outdoor cooking, this one is definitely a great choice. This stove is designed to work with both butane and propane, giving you flexibility based on what you have available. With an output of 7,800 BTUs, it can boil 4 cups of water in just 5 minutes, making it quite efficient. The auto-ignition system is a nice touch, and the safety features like cartridge ejection and auto shutoff really enhance peace of mind while cooking. However, a few users pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for backpacking trips. But look, if you're primarily car camping, that added size means better stability and performance. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable stove with safety in mind. Skip this if you're looking for something to carry on long hikes. At this price, it's a fantastic option for safe outdoor cooking. So there you have it. The Gas One portable dual fuel stove is great for power and versatility, while the Fire Maple Fixed Star one offers compact efficiency. The Gas One GSP is an affordable choice for casual cooking, the Coleman Classic is perfect for simplicity, and the SHINESTAR is all about safety and versatility. Each stove has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you before making your choice.